Amcrest, we believe that security should be for everyone. That's why we make everything we offer not only affordable, but painless to set up. There are things we all worry about. For example, did I forget to close the garage this morning? Are my kids home from school yet? Or maybe you're wondering what your little one is doing right now. There's a difference between hoping and knowing. When you don't have to worry, it's easier to focus on what's important. When you have the power to see things for yourself, you're in control. Believe us when we tell you, it's nice not to be in the dark. Amcrest. Simple, reliable, secure.
Hey guys, this is Basil. Today we're going to show you how to set up your ProHD pan-tilt Wi-Fi camera using the Amcrest View Pro mobile app for local or remote viewing. Before we begin, please make sure your power adapter is plugged into both a power outlet and the back of your camera. After a few moments, your ProHD camera will begin to rotate as it initializes. Once that's done, watch and make sure the LED on the back of the camera starts to blink green, which means it's ready to be added to the app. The first thing you'll want to do is connect your mobile device to your Wi-Fi network and download the Amcrest View Pro app from the App Store or Play Store. In the search field, type Amcrest and select the Amcrest View Pro app from the list. Then tap to download and install the app. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the app. If this is your first time running the Amcrest View Pro app, a welcome window will display. Tap Start to begin setting up your camera. You will be prompted to select your device type. Tap Wi-Fi camera, and then you'll be prompted to select your connection type. Tap Wi-Fi configuration setup. Alternatively, on the welcome screen, you could also tap Cancel and tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select Device Manager. You can set up your camera this way by tapping the plus icon on the top right corner or tap the Add Device button below. The app will prompt you to select your device type. Tap Wi-Fi camera and then tap Wi-Fi configuration setup. Your mobile device is now ready to scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera. Make sure the entire QR code on the sticker shows clearly on your screen. It will exit automatically when it's scanned. In case the QR code cannot be scanned, please manually enter in the serial number that is found on the bottom of the camera. Then tap Next to continue. Here you will need to give your camera a name. It can be anything you want. The idea here is to name your camera something that will help you remember and identify it easily. The default username and default password are both admin. Go ahead and type admin into the fields. Tap Next and enter your Wi-Fi password on the next screen. Here you'll see your SSID, which should be the Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. Once you tap Next, wait for about 2 minutes for the camera to connect to your Wi-Fi network. If the camera does not connect, tap the Ethernet Wi-Fi setup button and follow the on-screen steps. The whole point of this amazing plug-and-play method is that not only do you get your ProHD camera working on your phone in no time at all, but it also adds your camera to your Wi-Fi without needing to use an Ethernet cable or manually configuring Wi-Fi from the user interface login. You are now connected to your camera. Once it's added, tap the Start Live View button to access your live stream. If you are logging into your camera for the first time, you will be prompted to create a new password. Please select a secure password that is at least 8 characters long and one that uses a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Like with any password, take great care to remember it for future use. Note that once the password is changed here, it will take effect immediately. If you forget your password, you can always reset your camera by pressing the LED reset button on the back of the camera. To connect your camera to additional smartphones and tablets, please refer to the P2P setup method outlined in the Quick Start Guide. Give your phone a few moments to connect to your camera and pull up the live feed. How fast it connects depends on your network speed. As soon as it comes through, you'll see that it pops up in a single view window. To see a 4-channel view, tap the 4-channel icon on the lower left. To return to full screen, double tap to make it bigger. To use the digital zoom, simply pinch and drag on the screen to expand and move the view. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more instructional videos from Amcrest Technologies.